Have you ever wondered why we yawn? Let's find out the fun reason behind it. Yawning is something we all do, and it can be super contagious. When you see someone yawn, you might yawn too. But why does this happen? Sometimes we yawn when we're tired, just like when a lion stretches and yawns after a long nap. Yawning helps wake us up by taking in more oxygen, which gives our brains a little boost. Kind of like a mini energy drink. Also, yawning cools down our brains. It's like opening a window on a hot day. It helps us feel refreshed and ready to learn or play. Did you know some animals yawn too? Dogs, cats, and even elephants yawn. It seems yawning is a way for many creatures to show they need a little pick-me-up. So, the next time you yawn, remember, it's your body's way of waking up and cooling down. And get ready! Everyone around you might start yawning too.